Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:45 in Honolulu, 5:45 in New York on Monday, 15th day of July, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices continued to advance after gold surged on Thursday of last week and did not give back any ground on Friday. Today, gold gained $8.20. That's a net gain of 0.34%, taking the most active August contract to $2,428.90. The uncoupling of the tandem moves in gold and silver continue to this day, with silver trading lower on the day, declining by 0.73% or 22.5 cents, taking the most active contract below $31 to $30.93.5. Gold gains today were tempered and silver's decline was elevated with a stronger U.S. dollar. The dollar had a fractional gain of 0.15%, taking the index to 104.233. Chairman Powell finally signaled that the central bank is close to cutting interest rates, acknowledging that they have more confidence that inflation is cooling after the last 3 consecutive months revealed that inflation has been declining on a consistent manner. He also said that they would cut rates before inflation hit its 2% target, which makes it highly likely that the Federal Reserve will begin its first rate cut in September, which is what market participants had been optimistically hoping for. What is significant is that this is the first time the chairman has acknowledged that they now have the confidence needed to pivot from their former restrictive policy, taking its benchmark rate to between 5.25% and 5.5%, and then maintaining those rates at an elevated level since August of 2023. The first interest rate cut will signal that the Fed has pivoted to interest rate normalization, in which they will look to cut rates incrementally over the next 3 years, which will conclude when they have lowered rates to between 2 and 2.5%. And that's going to be extremely bullish for gold, because they're not just going to cut rates on one occasion, but multiple occasions over an extended period of time. And I believe that that most certainly will take gold to new all-time record highs and closing prices through the rest of this year. I am still under the assumption that we will see gold hit $2,500 per ounce prior to the end of 2024. With that in mind, once we get more data confirming our assumption that $2,400 per ounce has moved from a level of resistance to a level of support, we can effectively position ourselves at an extremely favorable entry price for our next long gold trade. Add to that, when we convert a standard candlestick chart to a Japanese average or Henkin-Ashi, we can see that candle size has been enlarging. There has been an absence of lower wicks for the last 3 trading days, and is exactly what we want to see. Because whenever you get enlarging candle size in the absence of lower wicks, as we got during this component of the rally, or right in here, it signals that not only is gold headed higher, but the momentum and strength in which it's going to move to higher prices is increasing. However, I'm not as optimistic about silver moving back above $32 and $33 as I am gold moving to a new all-time record high and close. Over the last 2 trading days, we have seen the complete opposite moves, with gold closing in essence unchanged on Friday and silver losing significant ground. Gold gained $8.20 today, and concurrently, silver lost about 0.75% or 22 cents in trading today. If silver continues to trade under pressure, we want to see where the precious white metal can find support before issuing a trade alert and entering a long position. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.